Oh, yes, welcome on my channel, on my podcast, on my page, YouTube channel, YouTube page, YouTube podcast, right? You saw the video title. There's no ZIG in Bulawayo. The government is very much worried because there's no ZIG currency, Zimbabwe gold currency in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. This is a new currency that was introduced by the government of Zimbabwe last year in April 2024. April 2024, a new currency was introduced by the government of Zimbabwe, led by the president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, and his deputy president, General Chiwenga, and the whole government involved. So it goes by the name Zimbabwe Gold Currency, ZIG, Zimbabwe Gold Currency. That is backed by foreign currency reserves plus gold. So hence the name Zimbabwe Gold Currency, because it is supported or backed up by gold reserves and foreign currency reserves. Two things that are supporting or backing up this currency. One, gold currency. No, sorry, gold mineral, like gold as a mineral. Secondly, is backed up by what is called foreign currency reserves. So, as I talk to you now, there's no ZIG currency in Bulawayo. This ZIG is not used in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. And by the way, you know that Bulawayo is the second biggest city in Zimbabwe, second largest, second greatest city in Zimbabwe. Number two, when it comes to size or magnitude of the city, Bulawayo is number two after Harare. And there are a lot of people in Bulawayo. So it's very central or integral to the economy or to the nation of Zimbabwe. This city by the name Bulawayo. But to the shock of everyone, to the surprise of everybody in Zimbabwe, ZIG is not used, is not wanted in Bulawayo, is not used in Bulawayo. They don't want it. They don't like it. They hate it very much, hate it with the passion. They are not using ZIG in Bulawayo. So the government of Zimbabwe, led by the president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, they are very much worried that, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Because the ZIG is not used in Bulawayo. What are we going to do as a country? What are we going to do as a nation? Because ZIG currency is not used in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. What are your comments on this issue? That ZIG is not used in Bulawayo. When I was talking, I know it's a short video, okay, fine. But when I was talking, what came out to your mind? What popped up in your brain about the issue of ZIG? What came out to your mind? Your comments, your views, your opinions, your standpoints, or your viewpoints. What do you have to say about the issue of ZIG in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town? The people of Bulawayo, or residents of Bulawayo city, and every part of Matabeleland province, and the Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North, or Bulawayo Metropolitan Province, Bulawayo Metropolitan Province, they don't want the ZIG. They don't use the ZIG. They hate it. They don't like it. Ever since the day it was introduced until right now, as I talk to you, they are not using ZIG. They don't like ZIG. They don't desire it. And they're not even planning to use it in the future. No, they are not even planning to use ZIG. What do you have to say about this issue? I know it's a very sad issue, painful situation. It's a very bad reality that is unfolding itself in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town, Bulawayo South, Bulawayo North, Bulawayo Metropolitan Province. This other part of the world, that other side of the world in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. What are your comments? Drop, write, type in the comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out.